Hello viewers, now this is my lecture 2 on data type. In the previous lecture we have seen integer, float and string, and in this lecture we will be going to see further data types that are boolean and list, tuple, dictionary. Okay, so let's see boolean. For boolean we simply write b is equal to true. See, now we will print b and type of b. Type of b means data type of b. See, one parenthesis was missing. Okay, b value is true and it is belonging to class boolean. Data type is boolean. What it means class? Why class is written? Because in Python each and everything is defined in the predefined in the form of class. Okay, so b is an object of class boolean and its value is true. In my upcoming video series we will see about object, what is object and how object is created. Okay, so here b is the boolean and data type we have seen. Now next is list. So how we will declare a list? We will simply write L is equal to list में suppose I have given my age and one float value 55.27, and list can also have a string like my name Harsh Vardhan. Okay, so this is a list. Print L type of L. See, boolean we have seen, so we will comment it. Yeah, leave it. Run module. See, true was becoming to type boolean. Now this is our list: member 1, member 2, member 3, and index 0, index 1 and index 2. Okay, and type is a list. So list is represented by this square bracket. Now see next data type, that is tuple. So tuple is represented in a form of parenthesis. Tuple 27, 55.35 and name is Vardhan tutorial. Okay, now we will write print t type of t. So it will give the output of t and type of t. See, this is our tuple represented in parenthesis and class is tuple. Class means type. Okay, then we will see dictionary, and there is one more data type which is set. Set you have seen in maths. So set is declared like this. Its value is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will write print S and type of S. See, so set is a printed and its type is also printed set. Okay, so in this manner set is declared. Now comes dictionary. So dictionary is created in the similar manner of set, but there is a slight difference. In dictionary we also create a key. For key 1 the value will be Harsh. For key 2 value will be Vardhan tutorial. Now we can also create third index like HV. HV is the third index and its value is 55. Okay. So why I have used this example? Because it shows that your key value can be integer or character, and your value can be Harsh, it is a string, or it can also be a number. So this is a dictionary. Now we will print dictionary and type of dictionary. Okay, see, now it is visible. So D is a dictionary, print D and type of D, run. See, this last one is dictionary. See, we have seen all the basic data types.